Hi everyone, my name is Aldwin Veneracion, and our activity for today is installing Linux Ubuntu on VMware Workstation. Then first, we open Google, then search Ubuntu download, then click the first result, and then click the download, then click the 22.04 LTS, then it will download. But I already download it for not wasting our time. Then let's proceed. Then go to the VMware Workstation, then create new virtual machine, then choose the recommended, the typical, next, then choose the I will install the operating system later, next, guess operating system, choose Linux, and then Ubuntu 64-bit version, then next, then change the virtual machine name, next, and the maximum disk size I will not change it, and then choose the store virtual disk as single file, then next, then click the customize hardware, and then choose the new CD DVD, then click the use ISO image file, then browse, then choose the file that we downloaded earlier, the Ubuntu, and open, then close, click finish, then let's power on the virtual machine, then click the first one, the Ubuntu is open, and then click the install Ubuntu, then let's not change it, then continue, then check the install third-party software, and then continue, and then we're not doing anything here, just install now, then continue, then continue, so we're going to put our name here to make an account, log in automatically, then continue, So the installing is done. Then the system will suggest to restart your computer to use the new installation, and click restart. So the Ubuntu is already running, so we're done for this activity. Then, and thank you for watching.